Hello and welcome to Medy Wellness YouTube channel. Today we will be guiding you on preparing kefir drink using instant grains at home. As for the ingredients, we will need the following: milk, sugar, pectin, and instant kefir grains. So first, we need to prepare a water bath. We will boil water in a large cooking pot, then fit in a smaller pot. Pour in milk to the inner pot and let it heat up. Let it boil to 40 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. (40 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit). The next step, we mix the dry ingredients, sugar, and pectin. Pour a tablespoon of sugar and teaspoon of pectin in a jar and stir. Mix them. Pour some milk to a jug. Add the milk to the concoction and stir to dissolve the ingredients. Pour in the milk to the rest and mix well. After 15 to 30 minutes, return the milk in water bath to heat. Boil the mixture to 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from fire and let it cool down to 32 degrees Celsius, 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the cooled milk to a plastic container. Add in some instant kefir grains and stir. Cover and place in a warm place for at least 12 hours. "12 hours later. Stir to mix. Sieve to give a smooth consistency. It is now ready for consumption. Keep refrigerated. Thank you for watching. Check out our channel for more kefir recipes. like and subscribe.